Alright, we're at Palo Duro Riding Stables. It's right on the main road just before you get to the state park. And it's right on the rim. Look at that barn over there. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Just hanging out on a hill.
Mom, there's a horse with a horn.
Really?
Oh, it's a unicorn.
What?
It's a unicorn.
What the heck? Kayla, did you see this horse?
It's a unicorn. It's actually a unicorn.
Well, it looks pretty real. Yep. We got a lot of horses, huh?
Yeah, you got one.
Did you see the unicorn?
That's why our house is down there. Yeah, that's my wife fishing. I'm
Kristen. Zach,
Oh, look, they got a little jail over here too. The sheriff's office. You can go pretend you're in jail. Go ahead. Oh, poor KK. What'd you do to get in there? So we're gonna be going down that, which I'm probably not gonna be videotaping. So I guess I'll videotape it now to get down into the second biggest canyon. Second to what canyon? What canyon's bigger?
Grand Canyon.
I guessed right. And I said your name right too, huh?
Oh, that's a nice deck. It makes it easy to get on. Okay, come over here so you're out of the way.
Okay. You just know everybody else how to do it?
I know how to ride a horse.
Alright, I'm gonna bring those stirrups up a bit.
You want a tornado, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you got sissy girl. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh, nice. Spoiled.
So do you know how to stop a horse? How do you do it? You got it, man. You already know more than 90% of the people I ride with.
Oh yeah, I hit them buddy stirrups pretty perfect.
Evan.
Yeah.
Look at me.
We'll get you a good one.
Oh, wow, that's a nice picture. What's yours name? Lily? Lily Girl. You gotta call it Lily Girl, right?
Heard canyon before? Going downhill. You already got that one? You rode donkeys in the
Right now they all are. They're all tired of spring break.
Oh.
Coyote, what do you do?
Is it?
Break lasts for about 6 weeks.
Yeah, I know. It
With us.
lasts forever.
Are they good? Main thing is I just want you getting your feet out in front of you when you're sitting down. This park deck goes down before too. Oh yeah, take riding classes. A dandelion.
She good, bud? Good job. She's pretty. Sissy girl's pretty. You got it. I know. You're getting mad at her, aren't you? She keeps stopping. All right, go on. Good job. Good job. You got it. Ah. Good job, Will.